Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check storage usage information on the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings option down below, which is the last option, and now scroll down till you find this storage option and click on it. Tap on storage use, and here you can check out storage usage information such as all app data, available space, and other aspects and features. If you go back, you can clear your cache of the last 100,000 map tiles viewed by tapping on the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.